Come join us as we spend our first full day in Kuala Lumpur as we eat, explore, and make new memories.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everyone. It's Friday afternoon here in Kuala Lumpur. We have been here for just over 12 hours. It was quite a whirlwind trip here.
About 24 hours to get here. We've been here 12.
So tomorrow is Lunar New Year, so lots of decorations all around the city. And we'll have to look up to see what's happening for Lunar New Year. So hopefully we'll find a nice celebration to go to tomorrow. But first impressions of Kuala Lumpur so far?
Oh gosh, really busy and just a really nice buzz to it. Yeah, lots of amazing food stalls and restaurants, and we saw some really beautiful displays for Chinese New Year.
Yep. So we'll give you a quick tour of our apartment here, and then we'll head out again in a little while.
Hello, come on in. This is our KL apartment. Little entryway. Place for Rick to sit down and put his shoes on. Place for him to hang all his bags and shirts and jackets. A very little kitchen, but it does have a washer dryer. And it does have a little fridge. Not a lot to cook with, but we don't see ourselves doing a lot of cooking here. Food is actually cheaper in the little food stalls and restaurants than in the grocery stores. Nice table to eat at if we did want to eat here. And then a little living room, a TV we can't quite figure out how it works. But someday we will, because we're here for a whole month. And this is our view. It's kind of a cool one. Way over there you can see the Petronas Towers. And then it has one bedroom. Come into my bedroom. Our bedroom. It has a small double bed, I guess. A rock hard double bed with a couple of rock hard pillows. But we slept like logs anyway last night. And then 2 ways to get into this little bathroom. Has a walk-in shower. Hello. And that's it. That's the grand tour.
When we were not resting in our apartment, we made our way out and explored the city and all of its shops. We even found a wall of ramen noodles, something we had never seen before. While it was hot outside, it was nice to walk and feel the warmth. We even found a display of Master Q, a comic strip that I used to read. Food was plentiful, and we enjoyed all that we ate. Everywhere we went, it was all decorated for the Lunar New Year. We're in our third mall here, and it's just incredible how it's all decorated for Chinese New Year's, Lunar New Year's. Tonight is New Year's Eve, so supposedly we're supposed to share a meal, And then tomorrow's the big celebration. But take a look. Look at this decoration around here. So those towers right there, that's where we're staying. We're in the building that is to the right. The one that's to the left has the swimming pool, so we'll have to try that out tomorrow. So we made it out for another walk. And where did we end up? We're in another mall. This is the Burj Times Square Mall. We wandered over here because we were told there was a indoor amusement park. And as you can see, quite a large roller coaster in behind. What do you think, Sal? Are we going to give it a try?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're going to keep wandering. So not only do they have a theme park, but there's a bowling alley with pool tables and a place for archery. Haven't seen that before. By nightfall, we were hungry and we went searching for Jalan Alor, the famous street food market. In behind is the durian stall. Quite a crowd. I'm not quite ready to try it today, but we will have to try some durian. It's supposed to be really stinky, but for some people, quite yummy. We'll try some, but just not today. Well, we made it to the street market, found ourselves a table. Sally fought for it, claimed it, and now we're not quite sure if we're supposed to order here at the table or do we go up and order. Hopefully there's a menu and we'll be able to get some food going. Are you hungry, Sal?
Oh yeah, I am hungry.
What are you hoping for?
It all looks good. I was thinking I might get the fried oysters. Do you think that's wise?
I don't know. Are you pretty confident?
Seems a shame to both get the same thing.
We got some food ordered. It should be coming soon. While we wait for our food, let's find out some facts about Malaysia.
I have come to Malaysia knowing very, very little about it. So I found it interesting today when I was looking for some facts about it. One thing that was interesting to me was that it's the oldest sultanate in the world. So it's a monarchy. And I also thought it was interesting the official language is the Malay language, which is also the official language of Singapore, Brunei, and Malaysia. And then Malaysia only came into being as a country in 1963. And before that, it was different British colonies, so Singapore and Sarawak and North Borneo. Now it's called Malaysia. Mostly Muslim. Muslim is, by law, the religion that people are to follow. But you can see that there's quite a mixture here.
So the geographer in me loves studying about this location. And Kuala Lumpur, turns out it's about 3 degrees north of the equator, which is the closest to the equator we've ever been in our travels. Now, Malaysia is actually, as a country, there's 2 main areas. There's where Kuala Lumpur is, which is on the Malay Peninsula. But then there's a huge portion of Malaysia which is on Borneo Island. So really, there's quite a bit to the different parts of Malaysia for visiting. I think we may be limiting ourselves to the Malay Peninsula on this trip, but who knows? We'll see if we make it elsewhere. And I found out that there's 13 states and 3 federal territories. Kuala Lumpur itself is part of a federal territory. What did you order to drink?
I ordered Milo Ice, which is like chocolate milk. Very yummy.
We ordered some satay. Not quite sure what the meat is. I'm guessing there's probably some beef, chicken, and maybe lamb or pork.
Maybe lamb, yeah.
Okay, you want to go for it?
Peanut sauce.
Which one was your favorite, Sal?
Probably the chicken, actually. Yeah,
I thought the lamb was so yummy.
it was yummy.
Yeah. Ready for more food though.
Yep, that was a nice little appy.
Okay, what's our next dish here?
This is pandan chicken. Just chicken. Tastes like chicken.
So, would you order that again?
No, I don't think I would. No.
Glad we tried it, but
Yeah.
it was a bit dry. Not a whole lot to it. The tastes were, it was okay. Okay, we have one
Lots
more
of
dish
noodles.
coming.
Noodles to go.
Oh, that didn't quite work out. We've been sitting for about 40 minutes, and turns out they ran out of our noodles. Okay, we're gonna have to find somewhere else to go eat.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
This is the rest of our dinner here, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's find a quiet spot to eat it. It's just after 10 o'clock. We made it back to our apartment. Other than a quick trip to 7-Eleven, we came straight back. I think we're going to crash soon. Okay.
Yeah. Good night, everybody.
Thanks for joining us.